So if we look at the following, they say the diagram, we have RKTS, and then we have TS, which is, guys, the word produce, but it means put this thing here, it's a straight line. That's what they're trying to do, to say. Which in other words, when you measure, when you add these two angles here, they're going to give you 180. So when we say a line is produced to meet at J, that's what we are trying to say. And then at the same time, we are told JT is equal to RS. Now, this is going to be equal to this one. That's what they are also saying to us. And then the first question says, come and tell us why it would be a good idea for JRS to be similar to triangle JTK. Remember, we said we are doing matchmaking again. So we're going to be doing matchmaking. In other words, we're saying J should. Let's take the two triangles. So we have triangle JRS. So the people from this side that we can take is going to be J, it's going to be R, it's going to be S. And then we also have people from the other side. People from the other side, we have J, we have T, and then we have K. So people who are going to represent this side is J, is T, is K. Now this one and this one should go with this one, and then this one should go with this one. Now, we just have to give them a reason why is it a good idea for these two people to compete. So let's highlight the triangles that they're talking about. So we have J, R, and JRS. And then we also have triangle JT. So these are the two triangles that we're looking into. Now, look at the first thing that we can look into here. There is J. J is consisting of both colors. There's the purple color, and then it also has the one there, the green color. Can you see that one again? So what can we say about J? Why is J supposed to be equal to J? So we can say this is because it's common. And this one is going to go out with this one because they have something in common. Now speaking about T1 or T2 here. It's T1. Yeah, I should write it as T1 here. And when we speak about K, which one are we speaking about? K1 or K2? K1. Okay. Why is it a good idea that R, this R here, should be equal to T1 here? So if you check here, we have 4 vertices at the circumference again. So you have K, you have T, you have S, and then you also have R. All of them, they're at the circumference. And then this is a 4-sided figure. For the fact that it's a 4-sided figure, it makes this to be a cyclic quadrilateral. And then here we have an exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, which is going to be equal to the interior opposite angle of the cyclic part. Now, how do you get that, guys? You have an exterior angle, you have an interior angle. This one is outside, this one is inside. The first one outside is going to be equal to the interior opposite angle. So whoever is opposite to the interior angle, this one and this one, they are going to be equal. Then we can then say here is because we have an exterior angle of a cyclic quad. Now, obvious, guys, we are left with the last two options. This one, as we said, this person and this person, they are going to be equal. Whether they like it or not, they are equal. There's no any other option. They have to be equal. So these two here we can use which they are third angles of a triangle. And then in other words, we have proven which these two things here are similar. Then we can say triangle JRS is similar to triangle JTK. How do you prove this similarity here? How did you do it? So we've used an angle and an angle and a what and an angle. So that's how we prove similarity. Let's come and do the following here. We'll come back to the second one. Let's come and do this one. And let's prove the following, which these two are similar.